Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro with any Android phone or tablet. So first of all, you have to open this charging case and right now you have to remove the left and the right earbud from the case, and then simply open the Bluetooth settings on your Android device. So click to pair new device, and now just select your Galaxy Buds 2 Pro from available devices list, accept the pairing request, as you can see right now we are successfully connected, so it was really simple. There is no any pairing button on pairing gesture. You take them out of the case and they are automatically in the pairing mode. The next step is to open the Play Store and get the wearable application from the Samsung. So that's the full name of the application. Right now we can open it, click start and accept all the permissions that pops on the screen. Select our Galaxy Buds 2 Pro, click OK. We will be moved for another application, so we have to download it. Right now let's go back for this previous application, the first application that we download, the Galaxy wearable. We have to accept this automatic updates, but I'm gonna unselect this diagnostic data. So click continue, accept another permissions. After a few taps, as you can see, we are here, and there we are successfully connected. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.